white Model 706 Yellowstone bus is an iconic vehicle designed specifically for use in national parks. Manufactured by the White Motor Company between 1935 and 1939, this 14-passenger bus became a staple in Yellowstone and other parks, offering tourists an open-air experience with its signature rollback canvas top. White Motor Company, founded in 1858 in Cleveland, Ohio, initially produced sewing machines before expanding into automobiles. By the early 20th century, White had established itself as a reputable manufacturer of commercial and government vehicles, including buses, trucks, and military half-tracks. The development of the Model 706 was a response to the United States government's search for a rugged yet comfortable vehicle capable of handling the harsh conditions of national parks. Renowned Russian industrial designer Count Alexis de Sakhnoffsky contributed to the streamlined aesthetics of the Model 706, particularly its signature grille. The coach builder Bender Body Company was responsible for crafting the passenger compartment. The bus was built on a 176-inch wheelbase and was powered by a 318 cubic inch 16A flathead six-cylinder engine producing 94 horsepower. The unsynchronized four-speed manual transmission earned drivers the nickname gear jammers, as they had to skillfully double-clutch between gears. Yellowstone National Park received 98 Model 706 buses between 1936 and 1939, painted in a distinctive yellow livery. Other national parks, such as Glacier, Yosemite, Grand Canyon, and Mount Rainier, also operated white Model 706 buses, some of which were painted in different color schemes to match their respective fleets. These buses remained in service for decades, with many still operating into the 1960s. Over time, private collectors and museums acquired retired buses. Some underwent restorations, preserving their original flathead engines and mechanical components, while others received modern upgrades. Notably, Legacy Classic Trucks undertook a full restoration of a 1936 white Model 706, maintaining its original design while ensuring operational reliability. Today, several white Model 706 buses remain in operation, with Glacier National Park still using 33 of its original 35 Red Jammer buses, now modified with modern Ford E450 chassis. Other restored examples appear in museums, private collections, and auctions, fetching significant sums. In 2017, a fully restored Model 706 sold for $165,000 at R.M. Sotheby's Hershey auction. The white Model 706 remains a symbol of American automotive and national park history. Its unique combination of style, durability, and historical significance ensures that these vehicles continue to captivate enthusiasts and collectors alike.